Welcome back to the Vet Mentor AI channel. And let me tell you, I'm fired up about this one. We're talking about something so important today, something that could change the lives of our incredible veterans. Veterans, your MOS might be worth more than you think. Did you know your Military Occupational Specialty, your MOS, could be the key to unlocking $3,000 or more every single month in VA disability benefits? It's true. Sadly, so many veterans miss out on thousands of dollars because they don't realize how their MOS affects their claim. Well, we're gonna fix that, right here, right now. Your MOS isn't just a job title, it's a testament to the sacrifices you made, the physical and mental demands you faced every single day serving our country. And if you're not filing your VA claim correctly, you could be leaving serious money on the table. Stay until the end. We're revealing the top MOS for VA benefits. Let's talk about our combat veterans, the heart and soul of our military. We're talking infantry, artillery, special forces, the brave men and women on the front lines. These heroes put everything on the line for our freedom, and their MOS often exposes them to intense situations that can have lasting impacts. I'm talking about PTSD, the invisible wounds of war that can linger long after the battles are over. The constant threat of danger, the trauma of witnessing combat, it takes a toll. And we need to make sure our veterans are getting the support they deserve. And it's not just PTSD. Think about the deafening roar of artillery fire, the constant exposure to loud noises. Hearing loss is a very common issue for combat veterans, and it's something the VA takes into consideration when evaluating claims. Then there are the physical demands, the long patrols with heavy packs, the wear and tear on joints from years of intense training and deployment. Back injuries, knee problems, these are things that can affect a veteran's quality of life long after they've hung up their uniform. And we can't forget about traumatic brain injury, or TBI. Explosions, even those that don't cause obvious external injuries, can create shockwaves that impact the brain. TBI can manifest in many ways, from headaches and memory problems, to difficulty concentrating and emotional instability. It's crucial that our combat veterans understand the potential long-term effects of their service, and how their MOS plays a role in their VA claim. You served with honor, you faced danger head-on, and your MOS tells that story. Make sure your VA claim reflects the sacrifices you made. Now, let's talk about the heroes who keep our skies safe. The pilots, the crew chiefs, the mechanics who keep those incredible machines running. Your MOS, whether you were soaring through the air or keeping those birds aloft, comes with its own set of challenges. Challenges that can have long-term health consequences. Let's start with the ear-splitting roar of jet engines, the constant whine of turbines. Our aviation veterans, especially those working on the flight line, are exposed to incredibly loud noises day in and day out. This can lead to significant hearing loss over time, a condition that can impact your quality of life in countless ways. The VA recognizes this and factors in noise exposure when evaluating claims for aviation and mechanic MOS. And it's not just the noise. Think about the physical demands of these jobs, the heavy lifting, the awkward positions, the strain on your back and knees from years of working on these powerful machines. Back injuries and knee problems are incredibly common in these fields, and they can make it difficult to enjoy everyday activities. You deserve to live a life free from pain, and your VA benefits can help make that a reality. And then there's the exposure to chemicals, the jet fuel, the solvents, the lubricants, all part and parcel of working on aircraft. These chemicals can have long-term health effects, and it's essential to document any exposure you may have had during your service. Your MOS is a testament to your dedication, but it also serves as a record of the potential hazards you faced, hazards that could entitle you to VA benefits. Chapter 3. Behind the front lines, medical, support, and the invisible burdens. Now, let's talk about the unsung heroes, the ones who keep the entire military machine running smoothly. Our medics, our corpsmen, our admin specialists, our logistics experts. You might not have been on the front lines of combat, but your service was absolutely essential, and your MOS comes with its own set of challenges. Let's start with our medical personnel, the angels on the battlefield, the ones who patch up our wounded and provide comfort in the toughest situations. You've witnessed trauma firsthand, the horrors of war, the pain and suffering of your fellow service members. This can take a toll on your mental health, leading to PTSD, compassion fatigue, and other invisible wounds. Your MOS, your dedication to saving lives, deserves to be recognized, And your VA claim should reflect the emotional and mental burden you carried. And it's not just our medical personnel. Think about the physical demands placed on our support teams. Loading and unloading equipment, moving supplies, countless hours on your feet. These tasks can lead to chronic pain, back injuries, and joint problems. You may not have been dodging bullets, but your body still endured the rigors of military service. And those sacrifices should be acknowledged. And let's not forget about the stress, the long hours, the pressure to keep everything running smoothly. These factors can contribute to anxiety, depression, and other mental health conditions. Your MOS might not seem as inherently dangerous as combat roles, but the invisible burdens you carried deserve recognition and support. Listen, whether you were in the thick of battle, keeping those aircraft flying high, or holding down the fort behind the scenes, your service was invaluable. Your MOS tells a story of dedication, sacrifice, and facing challenges head-on. And that story deserves to be heard, not just with gratitude, but with the tangible support of VA benefits. If you're not sure how your MOS affects your claim, drop a comment or visit VetMentor AI for help. We're here to help you navigate the system, understand your rights, and get the benefits you deserve. Subscribe for more VA disability secrets. Veterans, your service was valuable. Let's make sure your benefits reflect that.